Hello everyone, Graham here. You know, everyone's talking about passive income these days, and Amazon affiliate marketing is right up there in popularity. But let me tell you, it's not always as easy as it seems. There are a lot of pitfalls that can trip you up and cost you serious money. Today we're diving into the common mistakes you might be making with Amazon affiliate marketing and how you can fix them. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. Alright, let's talk about niches. Niches are the specific segments of the market that you choose to focus on in your business. They are the cornerstone of any successful affiliate marketing strategy. Without a well-chosen niche, your efforts can quickly become scattered and ineffective. You see that word thrown around a lot in the affiliate marketing world, and for a good reason. A niche is essentially your target audience, the group of people you are trying to reach with your content and products. It's crucial to understand that not all niches are created equal. Some are more profitable, some are more competitive, and some are more sustainable in the long run. It's the foundation of your entire strategy. Picking the wrong niche is like building a house on sand. It's eventually going to crumble. Imagine spending months or even years building your business, only to see it collapse because you chose a niche that wasn't stable or profitable. It's a nightmare scenario, but it's one that can be easily avoided with the right approach. You might be tempted to chase the latest trends or jump into a niche that seems to be making everyone else money. But trust me, that's a huge mistake. Trends come and go, and what's hot today might be forgotten tomorrow. Instead of chasing fleeting trends, focus on niches that have proven staying power. Look for niches that have a consistent demand and are not overly saturated with competition. The key is to choose a niche that you're passionate about, something you genuinely enjoy learning about and sharing with others. When you are passionate about your niche, it doesn't feel like work. You'll be more motivated to create content, engage with your audience, and stay committed to your business in the long run. Why? Because passion is contagious. When you're genuinely excited about a product or service, it shows in your content. Your enthusiasm will resonate with your audience, making them more likely to trust your recommendations and take action based on your advice. When you're genuinely excited about a product or service, it shows in your content, and people are more likely to trust your recommendations. Authenticity is key in affiliate marketing. People can tell when you are genuinely passionate about what you are promoting, and this builds trust and credibility with your audience. Plus, let's be real, sticking with something long-term is a lot easier when you actually enjoy it. Building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time and effort. If you choose a niche that you are not passionate about, you are more likely to burn out and give up when things get tough. Passion leads to better content leads to more engagement, and more engagement leads to more sales. It's a simple formula, but it works. When you are passionate about your niche, you will naturally create higher quality content that resonates with your audience and drives more sales. It's a simple formula, but it works. Choosing the right niche is the first step towards building a successful affiliate marketing business. Take the time to research and choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has proven staying power. This will set you up for long-term success and help you avoid the pitfalls of choosing the wrong niche. So, how do you go about choosing the right niche? Start by doing thorough market research. Look for niches that have a consistent demand and are not overly saturated with competition. Use market research tools to analyze trends, search volumes, and competition levels. This will give you a better understanding of the potential profitability and sustainability of different niches. Next, identify your target audience. Who are the people you want to reach with your content and products? What are their needs, interests, and pain points? Understanding your target audience is crucial for creating content that resonates with them and drives engagement and sales. Another important step is to analyze your competitors. Look at what successful competitors in your chosen niche are doing. What types of content are they creating? What products are they promoting? How are they engaging with their audience? Learning from your competitors can give you valuable insights and help you develop a more effective strategy. Once you have identified a potential niche, test it out. Create some content and see how your audience responds. This will help you validate the potential of the niche and make any necessary adjustments before fully committing to it. Building authority in your chosen niche is also important. Establish yourself as an expert by consistently creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience. This will help you build trust and credibility, which are essential for long-term success in affiliate marketing. Finally, consider diversifying your income streams within your chosen niche. Don't rely on just one product or affiliate program. Explore different ways to monetize your content, such as sponsored posts, digital products, and online courses. This will help you create a more stable and sustainable income. To recap, choosing the right niche is crucial for the success of your affiliate marketing business. Do thorough market research, understand your target audience, analyze your competitors, test your niche ideas, build authority, and diversify your income streams. By following these steps, you can avoid the pitfalls of choosing the wrong niche and set yourself up for long-term success. Remember, many successful affiliate marketers started with the same challenges you're facing now. They took the time to choose the right niche, and it paid off in the long run. You can do the same. Stay focused, stay passionate, and stay committed to your goals. Choosing the right niche is not just about making money. It's about building a business that you love and that brings value to your audience. So take your time, do your research, and choose a niche that you are passionate about. Your future self will thank you. In conclusion, choosing the wrong niche can be a recipe for disaster, but with the right approach, you can find a niche that is both profitable and fulfilling. Remember, passion, research, and commitment are the keys to success in affiliate marketing. Good luck on your journey, and may you find the perfect niche that leads you to success. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on affiliate marketing. See you in the next video. Okay, you've found your niche, you're pumped, you're ready to start raking in those commissions. But hold on a second. You can have the best content in the world, but if nobody can find it, it's worthless. That's where SEO comes in. Search engine optimization. Think of SEO as the GPS system that guides potential customers to your content. If your SEO is off, you're basically lost in the woods, and no one's going to stumble upon your amazing affiliate links. You need to understand how people are searching for information related to your niche. What keywords are they using? What questions are they asking? Once you know that, you can optimize your content to rank higher in search results, driving more organic traffic to your website or channel. Don't be afraid to invest some time in learning the basics of SEO. It's a game changer, and it's not as complicated as you might think. Now, let's talk about affiliate links. They're the lifeblood of your earnings, right? But here's the thing, too much of a good thing can quickly turn bad. Imagine this, you land on a blog post and every other sentence is crammed with affiliate links, all screaming, buy now, buy now. How does that make you feel? Probably pretty turned off, right? That's exactly how your audience feels when you overdo it with the affiliate links. Remember, people are smart. They can smell a sales pitch a mile away. Your goal should be to provide value, to educate and entertain your audience, not just bombard them with links. Use affiliate links strategically, where they make sense and add value to the user experience. Instead of just dropping a link, take the time to explain why you're recommending a product, what benefits it offers, and how it can solve a specific problem for your audience. Let's be brutally honest for a second. There's a ton of garbage content out there, especially in the affiliate marketing world. People slapping together half-baked articles and videos, hoping to make a quick buck. Don't be that person. If you want to succeed in the long run, you need to create high-quality content that provides real value to your audience. Think about it this way. Would you buy something based on a recommendation from someone who clearly doesn't know what they're talking about? Probably not. Invest time in researching your niche, testing products yourself, and crafting content that is informative, engaging, and genuinely helpful. Remember, your reputation is on the line here. Build trust with your audience by providing valuable content, and they'll be more likely to trust your recommendations. All right, you've put in the work. You're creating great content. You're using affiliate links strategically, but you're not done yet. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is not tracking your performance. How do you know what's working and what's not if you're not tracking your results? You need to know which of your affiliate links are converting, which pieces of content are driving the most traffic, and where your audience is coming from. Luckily, there are tons of tools out there that can help you track your affiliate marketing performance. Use them. Analyze your data, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and adjust your strategy accordingly. It's all about continuous improvement. The more you track and analyze your performance, the better equipped you'll be to optimize your strategy and maximize your earnings. So there you have it, folks. 5 common Amazon affiliate marketing mistakes to avoid like the plague. Remember, building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay consistent, focus on providing value, and never stop learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or additional tips you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.